Hello, this is Frank Phillips from the law offices of Phillips & Millman, the firm choice. I'm here with another Phillips & Millman Minute. A few months ago, we spoke to you about accident investigation and reconstruction and using the information that's on a black box that are now in cars and the increased technology. In addition to using information on a black box, you can also go out to accident scenes, and we have technology where you can fly drones over the scene of the accident to show overhead to juries where certain accidents occur. For this particular accident, we can show where the pothole was in the road, where the driver of the motorcycle hit the pavement, and where his motorcycle came to rest. So these are other avenues of technology that we can use in accident reconstruction. We use Rockland aerial photography to perform services with drones. If you find this video informative, share it with your friends. And remember, if you get into an accident, contact Phillips & Millman, the firm choice.